unacceptable behavior. Barricade your homes. Avoid all contact with infected individuals. Wait for official instructions. Wait my ass.
Mama said kill all sons of bitches. That's my official instructions.
Stand tall for the peace of America. Lay down like a naked dead body.
This used to be a nice neighborhood.
People working overtime, they can't stay living off the government's dime.
Shit.
How was that? This is some grim shit we got ourselves into. Get back! Get back!
Who the hell puts an evac station of 30 flights a goddamn stairs?
Come on, coach. Maybe the helicopter, maybe it's made of chocolate. Hey, where is everybody? Hello?
This is not happening.
Anyone there?
This is not happening.
Thought they supposed to be saving our ass.
Looks like there's been a change of plans.
It's coming from the bridge.
God damn it!
Hang on!
Let go! Holy shit!
Hey, kill all sons of bitches, right?
I have not come this far to die now.